If you can't seem to open and move video file, or it keeps throwing errors, chances are the file is corrupted. But, as you probably guessed, there are ways to fix it. In today's video, we'll show you the easiest ways to repair corrupted MOV files on both Windows and Mac. And don't worry, we left all the tool links in the description below. Let's get started. Method 1. Use online video repair. The easiest way to fix a corrupted MOV file is with an online repair service. You won't even need to install anything. There are plenty of options out there, but the best free one we've tested is Clever Online Video Repair. It works with multiple formats, including MOV, and lets you upload files up to 5 GB, which is more than enough for a single video. Here's how it works. First, go to the Clever Online Video Repair website. You don't need to register to upload, but you do need a free account to download your repaired file. Click on Choose File or just drag and drop your corrupted MOV file into the box. The service will usually detect the audio and video settings automatically. If it can't, it'll ask you to upload a healthy MOV sample recorded with the same device and settings. Wait for it to finish. Once it's done, you'll see previews of the fixed video. From there, you can download it, or start a new repair. The service even lets you run up to 10 active repairs at the same time. Method 2. Use VLC's Always Fix feature. Another simple way to repair a corrupted MOV video is by using VLC. It's a super popular media player, and it comes with a built-in feature called Always Fix. But here's the catch, it only works with AVI files. So here's what you do. Download and install VLC Media Player if you don't already have it. Rename your corrupted MOV file to AVI. Don't worry, this isn't permanent, you can always change it back later. Open VLC, then go to Preferences on Windows, or Settings on Mac. Under the Input/Codecs tab, find the option Damaged or Incomplete AVI file. Set it to Always Fix, and then click Save. Now, try opening your renamed file in VLC. It won't work every time, but when it does, it's a super quick fix for broken MOV videos. Method 3. Use Untrunc. Untrunc is a free, open-source tool that lets you repair damaged MOV files. It works on both Windows and Mac, but there's one important requirement. You'll need a healthy sample MOV file recorded on the same device. Untrunc uses that sample as a reference to rebuild the corrupted video. Simply visit Untrunc's GitHub page and download the version that matches your operating system and system type. Extract the zip file and run untruncgui.exe. Click the truncated file button, then select your corrupted MOV file. Then the reference file button and choose a healthy MOV file recorded on the same device. Finally, hit the repair button in the bottom right corner. Untrunc will create a repaired copy of your corrupted MOV and save it in the same folder. Pretty easy and effective, of course, as long as you've got a healthy sample video to work with. Method 4. Re-encode the MOV file. If you don't have a sample video and the previous methods didn't work, you can try re-encoding the broken MOV file. If the damage isn't too serious, re-encoding the video, either into another format like MP4, or even back into MOV, can often fix playback issues. You can use different apps for this, but one of the best free options is HandBrake. Here's how. Open HandBrake and click File to import your MOV video. In the Summary tab, choose a format like MP4 or MOV. Pick where you want to save the new video. Then hit Start Encode. Now, this process can take a while depending on the length and resolution of your video, so be patient. Once it's finished, you'll have a freshly re-encoded copy ready to play. So there you go, 4 ways to repair corrupted MOV files. Start with an online repair service, then work your way up through Untrunc or re-encoding. It's hard to say which method will work in your case, since it depends on how the file got corrupted and how badly. Sometimes the quick fixes do the trick, other times you'll need a more advanced tool. So what worked for you? Which method fixed your corrupted MOV file? We'd love to hear your story, drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Our team is constantly making video guides on all kinds of file and video issues, so you'll always have the help you need.